Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 3.65% compared to the previous day, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 3.35% compared to the same day last year, and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 1.3% compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
Franklin Templeton CEO, Tokenization is securitization on steroids. Jenny Johnson, CEO of Franklin Templeton, believes tokenization is transforming the practice of securitization. She spoke at CNBC's Delivering Alpha event and compared tokenization to securitization done on steroids, highlighting its benefits. Johnson explained that tokenization allows for a payment mechanism, smart contracts, and a source of truth through a general ledger. Rihanna, a popular singer, has also released an NFT of one of her songs, allowing holders to earn royalties on streaming. Franklin Templeton, which has offices worldwide, is currently awaiting regulatory approval in the United States for a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF. CFTC targets Mosaic Exchange Limited in alleged crypto fraud case. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has filed a civil enforcement action against Pennsylvania-based Mosaic Exchange Limited and its owner and CEO Sean Michael for operating a fraudulent digital asset commodity scheme. The CFTC claims that the company and its operators fraudulently solicit at least 17 people in the US and other countries to give them hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin or other funds to trade BTC and other digital asset commodities on the customer's behalf, but instead misappropriated them. The company also made false representations about its assets under management, proprietary trading algorithm, and partnerships with crypto exchanges. The CFTC states that the company did not possess the substantial assets as advertised and incurred losses while trading for its customers. The profit margins were also unsubstantiated, and the platform did not have the partnerships or broker agreements that were advertised, potentially misleading customers about the platform's legitimacy. The CFTC Commissioner Kristen Johnson called the entire scheme a sham and a virtual house of cards that resulted in unsuspecting investors losing massive hard-earned wealth. Microsoft seeks nuclear technology expert for AI energy strategy. Microsoft is hiring a team to develop an energy strategy for AI model development, with an ideal candidate having at least 6 years of experience in the nuclear industry, engineering, or energy market. The team will focus on developing efficient algorithms and hardware, as well as exploring other experimental energy technologies, such as nuclear power. The U.S. Office of Nuclear Energy notes that nuclear power can produce zero carbon emissions, but it has a long time lag between planning and operation, a large carbon footprint, and meltdown risks. 10K swap on StarkNet facing LP display issue. Users await official response. 10K swap on StarkNet is experiencing an issue with its liquidity pool, LP, display, according to user feedback. Despite reporting the problem, there have been no official responses on the Discord channel. The issue is suspected of causing soft rocks within the community. Users have expressed frustration with the lack of response from both Chinese and English mods. The 10K swap mod has advised users to remain patient while the technical team works to resolve the situation. Axie Infinity co-founder, AAA label becomes a Web3 game marketing gimmick. Axie Infinity co-founder Alexander Larson has said that many Web3 game projects are using the label of AAA game as a marketing gimmick, and instead of showcasing their actual abilities, they focus on metrics such as the floor price of NFTs or the size of their development teams. Larson also pointed out operational difficulties within these projects, such as borrowing programmers from other studios, which could lead to team cooperation challenges. These issues raise questions about the sustainability and genuineness of some blockchain-based gaming projects. Cardano-based Minswap sees spike in key metrics. Minswap, the largest decentralized exchange on Cardano, experienced a significant increase in various metrics after months of low activity. DeppRadar's update revealed that the UAWs and transaction count rose by 89.85% and 63.05%, respectively, over the past 7 days. The volume also increased by 16% during the same period. Minswap added 11.29K UAWs, 129.59K transactions, and 592.08 million in trading volume during this time. The weekly figures spiked due to massive activity recorded on September 24th, when the volume of the DEX surged to 1 million. On the same day, unique active wallets climbed above 5.4K, and the transaction count reached 35.96K. This activity could potentially boost the prices of Minswap's native MIN tokens, which generate value from platform usage and serve as a governance token. The surge coincided with the launch of the ADA-JPG trading pair on the decentralized exchange. However, the figures have since declined, and TVL is currently hovering around 40 million, according to the Philoma data. Cygnus Finance integrates Chainlink price feeds to enhance stablecoin protocol. Cygnus Finance, a stablecoin protocol backed by short-term U.S. Treasury bills, has integrated Chainlink price feeds on the Base mainnet. This integration aims to ensure the value of Cygnus CUSD tokens consistently matches the dollar value of its underlying assets. The integration initially uses USDC-USD and USDT-USD Chainlink price feeds, offering Cygnus Finance access to the most reliable and secure pricing data in the Web3 ecosystem. Cygnus Finance operates on the Base chain and uses U.S. Treasury bills as collateral to issue interest-bearing CUSD, while allowing multi-chain ecosystem assets for minting. The rebase mechanism of CUSD delivers full interest returns of U.S. Treasury bills to users on-chain, increasing the balance of CUSD. To secure the stablecoin's minting peg to USD, Cygnus needs to obtain the exchange rate between stablecoins and USD. Chainlink provides superior features such as high-quality data, secure node operators, a decentralized network, and a reputation system, upholds the accuracy, consistency, and security of pricing data. PayPal's stablecoin PYUSD sees nearly fivefold increase in circulation over 3 days. PayPal stablecoin, PYUSD, has seen a dramatic increase in its circulation, with the supply rising nearly fivefold since September 29th. The increase was reported by Defilama and Blockbeats, and the current total of around 61 million coins is expected to continue growing. Binance Futures adjusts capped funding rate for OGNUSDT Perpetual contract. Binance Futures adjusts funding rate for USD SAM OGNUSDT Perpetual contract. Effective October 1st, 2023, the maximum funding rate will be capped at正 3.00%, 负 3.00%. Funding rates can vary subject to market conditions. Rates usually decrease in low volatility scenarios but may reach maximum levels during high volatility scenarios. Users should be cautious since funding rates could surpass maintenance margin ratio. Users can visit real-time funding rate and funding rate history pages for more information. API users can retrieve USD SAM futures funding rate data via newly introduced endpoint. Get FOPI v1 funding info. Google Cloud joins the Validator set for Polygon's PS network. Google Cloud has become an official validator for the Polygon Proof of Stake (POS) network. This marks an increase in the number of validators, now exceeding 100, and adds a layer of safety to the network. Google Cloud's addition to the Polygon ecosystem is part of a broader project to build a low-cost, fast, Ethereum-based protocol for all users. The Polygon Labs dashboard will allow users to monitor the performance and checkpoint signatures of validators, including Google Cloud, making their activities transparent. China and Germany commit to strengthen cooperation in digital finance and anti-money laundering initiatives. China and Germany have concluded a third high-level financial dialogue, with both nations committing to enhanced cooperation in digital finance and robust anti-money laundering measures. The collaboration is aimed at mutual reinforcement of Financial Action Task Force (FATF) regulations on a global scale. Both nations agreed to bolster their anti-money laundering and anti-terrorism financing efforts within multilateral structures set by the FATF. They also plan to encourage collaborative efforts and data exchange in financial intelligence under proper legal frameworks. In a significant move, both parties consent to intensify dialogue in the domain of digital finance, discussing issues like the evolution of central bank digital currencies. This accord reflects a shared vision to incorporate advanced digitization into the realm of finance, potentially reshaping the global economic landscape in the future. Friend.tech protocol generates revenue over 10,000 ETH with total transaction volume surpassing 227,000 ETH. The Friend.tech protocol's revenue has reached 10,319.6 ETH, and its total transaction volume has tallied up to 227,030.3 ETH, according to Blockbeat's data released on October 1st. This strong performance demonstrates the protocol's significant traction in the Ethereum ecosystem, and the current total user market value stands at 54,244.63 ETH. These figures point towards an optimistic path for Friend.tech and other Ethereum-based protocols within the thriving, decentralized finance landscape. ARK Fund divests 25.02 million worth of Coinbase stocks and 1.08 million from GBTC in September. The ARK Fund has divested significant portions of its cryptocurrency holdings in September. The fund trimmed its holdings in Coinbase stocks by 333,288 shares, amounting to an approximate worth of 25.02 million at current market prices. The fund also scaled down on its holdings in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. ARK Fund offloaded 56,245 GBTC worth approximately 1.08 million. The strategic decrease in the cryptocurrency holdings comes amidst a highly volatile period in the crypto market. The decision may reflect a broader strategy shift or a straightforward, risk-off approach in the face of uncertain market conditions. Future investment patterns by the ARK Fund will provide more context into this divestment decision.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.